Hi everyone and welcome back. There are many situations where quantities are either increased or decreased by a certain percentage, and we would like to find the final amount of the quantity increased. So today I'm going to use a method which is called a multiplier method, and an example is about the maths club. So that had 65 students last year. So, and since then, the number of students has increased by 20%. So original amount of the quantity in this case is 65 students, which is actually 100% of the quantity. This is 100% of the quantity of the number of students. And if we increase an amount by 20%, it means that we do actually add 20 to original amount of the quantity, which is 100% plus 20%. So altogether, that's going to be 100%. So they increase an amount by 20% in one step. We multiply the original by 120%. So the original is 65 and times 100%, times 100%. So 65 times is 100%. If we convert into decimals, like it's 100 out of 120 out of 100 is equal to 65 times 1.2, and this is gonna give us 78. So the final number of students or members in the maths club is 78. So, and this would be a one-step calculation, and it's called multiplier method. I hope you enjoy watching this, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.